What up, y'all? So I was watching Hello My 20s, season 2, episode 12, and I saw this scene right here that we're looking at, and I literally could not stop thinking about it after watching it. So I studied every single thing that was in here and made it my own. And I even like researched a bunch of banchan online, which is Korean side dishes. So I had trouble kind of figuring out what this light green stuff was because I'm pretty sure it wasn't spinach. So I ended up DMing one of my friends who is Korean born and raised. And so she kind of pointed out a couple of things and then told me to fry the gochujang while I prepare everything. So here I have my banchan and I made sauteed zucchini with gochugaru, and then I had oyster mushrooms with bell pepper, carrots, sesame oil, that kind of thing. And then I also made seasoned spinach. Then here you can see that I'm frying the gochujang as my friend requested and said that I should do. I had leftover rice. I know in the video they got fresh rice from the rice cooker, but this is what I had to work with. I thought originally it was too little rice to put in there, but it turned out to be just the perfect amount for two people to end up eating. So then I started mixing in everything just like in the video. I mixed the rice with the gochujang first, just to kind of get all that flavor, and then I put all the banchan in one by one, as you can see. And then, of course, in the video, you can see she uncapped that sesame oil bottle and really just threw it in there. So that's pretty much what I ended up doing as well. Yeah, those black sesame seeds are so, so good. This oyster mushroom banchan is to die for. I will be leaving links below to all the recipes that I found to create this. I also forgot the radish kimchi, so I'm probably gonna have to make this all over again, just so I can get like the real feel um, of what they were eating in Hello My 20s. So yeah, if y'all want to watch that drama, it's pretty good. It mostly made me hungry. But yeah, anyways, this was like so, so good. I didn't even film what it looked like after I put the sesame oil, but you're welcome. Give it a try. And yeah.
Oh, it's created a fog. So I chopped up a napa cabbage, salted some water, and it's gonna be here until tomorrow morning. I have my washed cabbage that was left overnight. Just made my kimchi paste, got my gloves, and we're gonna bring the two together. I cried a good 6 times making this. The onions are really potent. So I put plastic wrap, put my holes in it, and I'm just gonna leave it here probably until tomorrow morning. And then I will be putting it in airtight Tupperware in the fridge. Ta-da. Transferring what has been left for 24 hours into an airtight container of a Ziploc bag inside a Tupperware because I don't have anything fancy. I have this giant kimchi pancake that I made. It came out so good. Like, I haven't made one this perfect looking, even with this little tiny burnt spot, which actually makes it a little bit more crispy. I don't think I've ever had a crispy one before though. This one's a little bit more on the gooey side. But I am excited nonetheless because it's thoroughly cooked. Again, this is like the most perfect one that I've made ever. So, I'm excited. Y'all, I just made mapo tofu for the first time. Veganized. Don't look, my hands are ashy. Anyways, when I tell you I have been starved since yesterday evening, and it's currently 1:03 in the afternoon because I woke up at 12 and was like, you know what, I can't take it anymore. I'm making me mapo tofu for breakfast, and that's what's happening right now. I'm gonna get me another bowl and show y'all what it looked like, but this is like amazing. I mixed 2 different veganized recipes, and then I also kind of added my own little twist. So if y'all want the recipe, I'll just like leave it in the description or whatever. This whole video is just gonna be me cooking. Anyways, this was bomb. Y'all don't even know anything. You don't know anything. So this is the jjajang that I used. I think it's close to expiration. But you know what? This came out really good, so I'm not even worried. This is the mapo tofu. I use Beyond Beef instead of the ground beef people usually use. And I use silken firm tofu, and I should have just used like regular tofu instead of silken firm tofu because it has like a weird texture, because usually it's made with like the real firm pressed kind, so that would be a lot better. Either way, this came out super good. Just texture wise, you know, if you're like eating for texture, I would not use the silken firm kind, but that's that. And then obviously I just made like fresh rice, so you know the vibes. A scrub is a guy that thinks he's fine, also known as a bust down, always thinking about what he wants.